So I wanted you to hear the answer to the question of the week from my YouTube channel, okay? So these videos I try to do every week. I don't always make it, but I do answer a lot of these questions. So if you ever have any questions, go to my YouTube channel and you can watch my content and you can post your questions on there and I will try to get to your questions, okay? So thank you for joining me. My name is Attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been practicing law for over 20 years with a focus in immigration law for over a decade. Okay, my main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I do help individuals and families from any state in the country and really any country on the planet. So stick around if you want to know the answer to this question relating to people that are worried about ICE coming to their work, okay? So stick around for the answer, okay? It doesn't take that long. I'm going to answer it right now, okay? So here's the question. I'm reaching out to discuss my concerns regarding my current job at a restaurant while my, in this case, asylum application is pending. I have received an acknowledgement receipt from USCIS. With the increased focus on undocumented immigrants since the change in administration, I'm worried about the possibility of enforcement action at my workplace. Can you answer the following questions? 1. What steps should I take to protect myself in case an ICE raid or similar situation happens at my workplace? Okay, so let me answer that question first. So, first of all, that is possible at any point in time. If you work at a place that has a number of undocumented people working, ICE is probably already tracking that employer and is probably going to make it to their advantage to stop by and check things out, okay? I will say the person who asked this question has a pending asylum claim. If you have a pending asylum case, you don't really have to worry about ICE coming after you necessarily because you've got a pending case and you've got a work permit, okay? Those are the things that communicate to the world that you are in a process, an immigration process, and you're trying to fix your status, and you have the right to see your process go through to the end, okay? People who don't have anything, those are usually the individuals that have to worry about workplace raids, people that are just working, cross the border and have no process whatsoever. Those are the people that have to worry typically, not somebody who has a pending process. The future for asylum is way up in the air, so we don't know what's going to happen with it. But if you've got a filing receipt, chances are good that you're not going to have to worry about ICE at all. If you see ICE at your place of employment, you're not going to have to worry about it. So the question 2, what are my rights as an asylum seeker in that context? Well, I kind of just told you. If you have an pending asylum claim, that's enough to protect you from being picked up, arrested, and deported by ICE. Why? Because you're already going through the process. That's the whole point of what ICE does, is trying to get people to go through the process that they're supposed to go through. So if you already have that pending, you're good. Third question, are there any specific protocols or actions you recommend for me to follow? Yes, I recommend that you keep evidence, proof of your filing with you at all times, whether you're driving in a car, riding in a car, walking to the mall, you're at work, you're at church, wherever you may be, you need to carry proof that you have a legal immigration process pending, okay? If you have a work permit, carry your work permit. You're supposed to anyway, right? So I've been getting a lot of questions about people saying, hey, what do I have to carry? What should I carry? What shouldn't I carry? I've already done a video about that. Check out my YouTube channel for that video. But the bottom line is, if you have something from immigration, carry it with you. I had some bozo on my YouTube channel, basically challenging me when I tell people to keep copies of things. You're not allowed to make copies. No, that's not true, right? That's absurd. That's absolutely ridiculous. If you have a copy, carry the original. That's the best. But if you're worried about something happening to that original, then carry a copy. What is it? The government's going to arrest you more because you have a copy of something? It's absurd. So don't listen to all the stuff you see online. Most people have no clue what they're talking about, which is why you're listening to me and why you're asking me questions so I can give you the real scoop on how this process works. If you have more questions, you can click the link below, reach me directly, talk to me, schedule a consultation, or just keep watching my YouTube channel for updates. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for future videos. Have a wonderful day.